good, my friend, all day here with you. This is impossible, we have to fix it, we have to do something. I'm all day in the toilet, I need something for my guts, I need something for my guts, and we are going to prepare homemade yogurt. We need homemade yogurt, pero tons of homemade yogurt. I'm going to prepare for 1 month. Let's go! Okay, let's start to prepare the yogurt. I'm going to make a banana yogurt. Let's see how it tastes, the banana yogurt. We get 1 yogurt, we place it there, okay? 100 grams of sugar, a little more, and 1 extra for the kid. And now 40 grams of milk in powder. Like this. Now 1 liter of milk. One liter. Fine. Now we mix it, everything very well. What happens here? No. We cannot pour anything, if not after I have to clean, and I don't like cleaning. Oh shit! Ah, it tastes good. I can drink it now. Now we put the yogurts in the machine, like this. Okay. Okay, the yogurt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 10. And the last one. Place it like this, and you put this here, it's important, and now we plug it. As easy as that. Well, 1 hour later, you have to press the button here, and it's important that the red lights turn on. Now it's time for the fermentation. We have to wait here 12 hours. I'm going to be here 12 hours, just looking that everything goes well.
After the 12 hours, you should put the cap on the yogurt and put it in the refrigerator at least for 4 hours before eat them.
Okay, 12 hours later, let's take a look. Wow, it seems that it has water. Look at the consistency here. Amazing. Let's try. I can feel the banana. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.